Welcome back to Dollar Key, your premium source for actionable crypto market intelligence. Today is Friday, June 19th, 2026, and the market is bleeding out as unexpected geopolitical shocks completely erase our biggest macro tailwinds. Avalanche is crashing hard, but one top-tier altcoin is completely ignoring the panic. Let's dive into the data. Here is your top 10 cryptocurrency market update. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Current price, $62,328, down 2.8%. The breakdown. The highly anticipated U.S.-Iran peace signing in Switzerland was postponed indefinitely today due to escalating geopolitical tensions, immediately wiping out the market's strongest macroeconomic catalyst. Combined with sudden stress on MicroStrategy's STRC peg, institutional buyers have completely stepped aside as we head into the weekend. 2. Ethereum, ETH. Current price, $1,687, down 3.2%. The breakdown. Ethereum is catching the brunt of the macro sell-off, plunging alongside Bitcoin as the extreme fear index dictates market sentiment. Over $600 million in leveraged long positions were violently flushed out of the crypto market in the last 24 hours, dragging ETH well below the critical $1,700 support line. 3. Solana, SOL. Current price, $68.28, down 4.8%. The breakdown. Solana is tumbling toward a 2.5-year low as retail investors aggressively de-risk their portfolios and dump higher beta altcoins. However, on-chain data shows that improving institutional ETF inflows are stepping in to absorb the sell pressure, attempting to build a hard structural floor at $60. 4. Avalanche, AVAX. Current price, $6.31. Down 8%. The breakdown. Avalanche is taking the heaviest beating in the top 10 today, facing a brutal technical breakdown as broader altcoin panic sets in. A continuous slide in network activity and decentralized finance volume has forced the token to lose critical support levels, putting it in a dangerous short-term downtrend. 5. XRP. Current price, $1.12. Down 4.6%. The breakdown. XRP has failed to decouple from the broader market slide, slipping significantly as speculative liquidity across the board dries up. Without any fresh regulatory updates or legacy banking partnership announcements today, the asset is strictly at the mercy of Bitcoin's bearish momentum. 6. BNB. Current price, $571. Down 3.2%. The breakdown. BNB is feeling the heat as global exchange volumes momentarily drop amid today's market-wide risk-off environment. Traders are also continuing to price in regulatory uncertainties as Binance navigates the incredibly strict new European MiCA compliance frameworks. 7. Cardano, ADA. Current price, 16 cents, down 2.3%. The breakdown. Cardano has compressed down to a painful multi-year low around 16 cents as its on-chain total value locked continues to contract. Despite the bleeding, diamond-handed investors are looking strictly at the imminent Van Rossum hard fork and midnight privacy chain integrations as potential reversal catalysts later this month. 8. Dogecoin, DOGE. Current price, 8.5 cents. Down 0.7%. The breakdown. The king of meme coins is surprisingly stable today, bleeding out much slower than the major utility networks. Both institutional and retail volume have essentially evaporated, leaving Dogecoin to consolidate tightly while waiting for the broader market to pick a definitive direction. 9. Tonecoin, TON. Current price, $1.86, flat. The breakdown. Tonecoin is completely ignoring the geopolitical bloodbath, showing incredible relative strength by holding its ground perfectly. Its massive integration with Telegram mini apps is creating a highly active closed-loop economy that is practically decoupled from the macro panic driving the rest of the space. 10. Chainlink. Link. Current price $8.01, down 1.1%. The breakdown. Chainlink is showing excellent resilience today, managing to successfully defend the highly critical $8 psychological support level. The relentless push for real-world asset tokenization by legacy financial institutions is ensuring a steady, permanent baseline demand for Link's Oracle infrastructure. That wraps up your top 10 market breakdown for today. Which of these coins are you currently holding, or are you aggressively buying this macro dip? Let me know your strategy down in the comments. If this data gave you an edge, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and lock in with Dollar Key so you never trade blind.